Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube not working on old smart TVs running Android 4.4 or similar versions. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Restart your router if needed. Method 2. Update the YouTube app, if possible. Go to your TV's app store, like Google Play Store. Search for YouTube and update it if an update is available. If no update is available, move to the next step. Method 3. Clear cache and data of YouTube app. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart the app and try again. Method 4. Use the YouTube website instead. Open your TV's web browser. Go to youtube.com/TV, which is optimized for TVs. Sign in and watch YouTube through the browser. Method 5. Use external devices if app still fails. Connect a streaming device like Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick, or Roku to your TV. These devices support the latest YouTube app and will work even if your TV's built-in app doesn't. Method 6. Factory reset your TV, last resort. If nothing else works, try resetting your TV to factory settings. This will erase all apps and settings, so back up anything important. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV fixes and tech tips.